Okay, so we have flashed our USB drive. We've installed Ubuntu 20.04 on that drive. Now what we've done is we've plugged that live USB bootable device into our computer, and we are now installing Ubuntu onto our validating hardware. Now, one thing to note here is um, depending on the machine that you're installing this on, you'll have to change the boot order in order to boot from the USB device. That is different from machine to machine. So it could be F2 or F11 or F12 when you're posting on your machine. You have to click the one of those F buttons to change the boot order. But once you get that changed, it'll automatically boot into Ubuntu, and we'll go through those setup screens right now. Okay, so we have this is the USB stick that we flashed. Let's just go through that installer. So we're going to install Ubuntu. Pick your language. In our case, we're going to choose English. Next, what you're going to want to do is choose the disk in which you want to install on. We're going to erase the disk that is currently installed so that it's a complete, fresh install. We recommend that to you as well. That way, you're ensuring that there aren't any additional variables that we have to work through, any gotchas going forward. So this will create a clean and sterile environment. So we're going to go ahead and click on Install Now. It's going to confirm that, yes, you're going to write here and it's going to delete everything. So we'll go ahead and continue. It's going to ask you for your location. For this example, we'll just keep the default. Hit continue. All right, now you're going to set up, provide your name, and then choose your password. Okay, once you have your username and password set up, go ahead and click on continue. And that's it. Now what's going to happen is the setup wizard is going to go ahead and install all of the packages and resources necessary for completing the Ubuntu installation. And once that's complete, it should restart and we'll be able to log into the system. Okay, it looks like our installation is complete and it is prompting us to restart our computer. Let's go ahead and do that right now. Now, once the restart has completed, it should boot up and prompt us for the login credentials that we had previously created, and then we can sign into our newly created validator machine. Okay, so this is the first login screen that we see after reboot. So this is the username we've set up, so let's go ahead and click on that. And let's put the password that we created. All right, now we are logged into our brand new Ubuntu desktop. So we're just going to skip this for now. All right, great. So we've completed the Ubuntu 20.04 LTS installation. The next few steps that we have, if you don't already have a wallet, we need to create one of those. We recommend MetaMask. There's a step-by-step video tutorial just below this video. Additionally, you'll need to request, if you don't already have it, at least 32 Gorley ETH. Again, the link and process to obtain the Gorley ETH is just below this video. So make sure you have both of those things ready before the workshop, or you might be a little bit behind. So let's go ahead and walk through that.